when I think about what a robot is, it's actually surprisingly hard to classify what this is, but I think of it as some kind of technological artifact which we believe has something of its own life or some idea of agency. So the main aims in Lirec are to explore artificial companions and what that means and how we can build them, and to study their effects on people. So what is GerminationX? GerminationX is an online social game about permaculture, which is using the technology and the research of Lirec in a very different context to the one that it's been studied in. And really we're trying to see if this kind of sociable technology, if put into this kind of environment, can help us develop the connections between people in an online game or a kind of Facebook environment. It's very much taking Farmville as, so it's using the same metaphors and technology, but instead of kind of applying this very particular view on farming and consumption as being this kind of, the logical conclusion is this kind of industrial farming techniques. What happens if we put in a very different assumption of the world? Does this result in different strategies for people playing the game? The difference between screen-based agents and robotic agents are that with screen-based agents you've got a lot more information about the world, and with robots it's a lot more complicated to understand the real world. So there's a lot of things that you can take for granted with screen-based agents or characters, because the human is sort of joining them in their world rather than the other way around. It was really interesting to see the thread from studying human and dog behaviour, or studying human behaviour through their relationship with their dogs, and then following this all the way through the technology development and all of the kind of nuts and bolts stuff that goes with that, and how this all related, and then putting this into real situations, and then doing studies with people in different environments, and seeing this whole sort of span of different things all work together, and how these people work together. I think that was the one of the biggest things for me about this project.